In this video, I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters in Grok AI. Now, there are many things that you're able to do to get consistent characters, but the one I always recommend you guys do is to create detailed character prompts. Now, you want to include things like personality traits, whether that's quirks, speech patterns, tone, the background, such as history, motivations, values, physical appearance, if that is something that is relevant to your situation, goals and conflicts, relationship dynamics, how they interact with others or you, and catchphrases or unique speech patterns. So right over here, I have an example to show you how to actually do it. So for example, this is for the character Alex, and we're able to go ahead and type this in right over here and include as many details as possible. So the more details you include, the better it is actually going to be. Now, you also need to make sure that Grok AI remembers your chats and uses your chats for future reference. So what you're able to do is you're able to select on the profile picture, go over here to where it says settings. All right, and then you need to go over here to where it says data controls, and then make sure you turn on personalized Grok with your conversation history. This is the most important thing. It is not going to work if you don't have this turned on. There's also other features and other settings that you're able to go ahead and configure to really just make the most out of it. Okay, now over here is another example of a prompt that you're able to do that's basically able to create a consistent character. So as you're able to tell, you're able to go ahead and copy and paste this. I'll be leaving some of these in the description down below so that you're able to copy them, and so that you're able to actually make consistent characters. So you could go ahead and do this, and then afterwards you should be good to go.